In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Google Drive settings. Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then log in to your Google Drive account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click Settings to open the main configuration panel. Inside the Settings window, click General from the left menu. Here you can adjust how Google Drive behaves across your account. Scroll down to the Start Page section and choose whether you want Google Drive to open on Home or My Drive. Each time you log in, you can also change the appearance if you prefer a light or dark theme. Next, scroll to the Density section and choose between Comfortable, Cozy, or Compact to adjust the spacing and size of your file list. If you want to use Google Drive without internet, check the box next to Offline. This allows you to create, open, and edit Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides while disconnected. You can also enable Convert Uploads to Google Docs editor format. This automatically converts uploaded document files into Google Docs format. Now click Notifications on the left side to manage email or browser alerts for shared files, comments, or access requests. Then click Manage Apps to view third-party apps connected to your Google Drive. Use the Options drop-down next to any app to disconnect it or set it as the default viewer for certain file types. Once you're done, click the back button in the upper left corner to save and exit. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.